Hi guys, it's me. So I just got some happy mail, which I'm so excited about. So this is from Jill. So I am going to open this up. Thank you so much. So she has washi tape on the back, and then on the front she has a bunch of really cool stuff too. Happy mail, and it's painted with a really cool kind of pattern. So that's pretty awesome. Very cool. Thank you, Jill. What a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful surprise. And it came yesterday. I'm sorry, I just haven't had a chance to open it yet. Ooh, this is great. I can't wait to use that. Washi tape. I love strips of washi tape. Sorry, I need to keep something in the view here. I have my new camera set up, so it has autofocus. Okay, let's see. So that is awesome. Ooh, isn't this pretty? So this is a gold foiled. Ooh, this is beautiful. This is absolutely gorgeous. Ooh, that's beautiful. Like mandala. That's beautiful. Look at that beautiful pattern. Gorgeous. And then this one has flowers on it. Absolutely beautiful. Those are pretty. Ooh, and they have like, it's embossed. They're really pretty. And then this beautiful piece of paper. And this one, I'm so sorry for the jump. That one. And there's this one. It says memories. Very cool. And then there's this one. These are beautiful pieces of scrapbook paper. That is so pretty. And it says love, peace, not make peace, not war. Isn't that cute? And beautiful patterns. I love this. Oh my gosh, look at it. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, this is a peacock. Oh, this is really pretty. Oh, that's gorgeous. Isn't that pretty? It's a peacock bookmark. Oh my gosh, I just have the book that I'm reading. I'm totally going to put it in there. Where is it? Where's my book? I'm reading this fabulous book about virtues, so I'm going to stick this right in there. Check it out. I love that. So it's going to make me happy every time I look at that bookmark. Thank you, Jill. Awesome. That's the book I'm reading now. And then this is a wallpaper sample, and it will peel off the paper. So she wrote a little note. And isn't that beautiful? That is such a pretty pattern. I love it. And then tags. Those are nice tags. That one. Ooh, and I think these are rub-ons. Oh no, they're stickers. Aren't they pretty? Wow. Those are cool. I like the variety of different texts. Sorry, let me bring it up so you can see. Isn't that nice? Very cool. And then these are chipboard punch outs, and they have an adhesive back. And they have beautiful words like congratulations, success, joy, happiness, and it explains what happiness is. Aren't those cute? Very cool. Ooh, and these are pretty. So there's vintage stamps. Oh, these are gorgeous. Those are pretty. And then there's like an old-fashioned calendar. Oh, those are really pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh, gorgeous. And then these are leaves, glittered leaves. It looks like they're made on handmade paper too. Very pretty. Very sparkly. These will be pretty on a card. Ideas, ideas. Oh my gosh. And then look at this little guy. Oh, it's a little like pocket. Isn't that cute? So you can add it to your journal. Oh, that's adorable. And then these are tag stickers. Make voyages. And it has all sorts of different things. So those are fun. And there's like a 2-pack of them. Nice. Oh, look at that. She looks so cool. Mama, let us girls wear capris so long as we don't show too much sin. That's true. That's cute. Okay. And there's more of these beautiful stickers. All old-fashioned and gorgeous. Those are so pretty. Very vintage. Like, you could totally make this into a beautiful, like, vintage-inspired junk journal just with this stuff. It's so pretty. Isn't that beautiful? And I just love this paper. It's marbled. And this feels like handmade paper too. It's from the paper company. Beautiful. And it's gold foiled. Isn't that pretty? Paper. It's like my favorite. And this is beautiful. And they're so nice and thin. They're going to be great for collage. This is so pretty. I love it. Very pretty. And then this feels like mulberry paper. My favorite. And it's in purple. The best color in the world. And then a piece of vintage inspired scrapbooking paper. And then let's see what's in here. Nice. Ooh, lots of goodies. So there's a white envelope, which those are always useful, right? And pull that out frame too. Ooh, and then these are little hearts that are made from foams. How fun. Great, and I'm just going to open it. I think there's little like cards in here too that might be fun to show you guys. This is so nice. Thank you, Jill. What a lovely surprise. Well, and there's that one. I bet you made these. They're beautiful. And this one. This one. I'm totally getting Valentine's Day vibes from this. So pretty. Ooh, look at that image. Isn't that cool? Magazine image. Oh my goodness, that's really pretty. I love it. Of a dragonfly. Ooh, oh my goodness, what is this? It's like tissue paper, gorgeous tissue paper. Beautiful, pretty patterns. Oh, that's pretty. Oh my gosh, I love tissue paper. And I have a piece of gold. Gorgeous. And seam binding. Nice. Wow, well, thank you so much, Jill. This was such a wonderful piece of Happy Mail. You totally made my day, and I can't wait to use all the goodies and to use all your fabulous washi tape scraps. These are going to be cool. I can totally peel these up. And actually, I don't think it's washi tapes. It's just strips of paper. Isn't this genius, right? And I can just, well, some of it's washi tape, and I can just peel it off and use it in projects, which I will totally do. This is great. I love it. So thank you so much, Jill. This is just such a beautiful gift, and I seriously appreciate it. Okay, so I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. There will be a video up for you guys tomorrow, and I will see you guys later. Bye bye. And if you're one of my patrons, I have a real-time video for you on the channel that I put up a few hours ago. So have a wonderful day. Bye bye.